Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. I was too busy thinking about math. Math? You might be wondering, what does math have to do with the garden? Well, don't worry, I'm here to explain it to you. It's called the golden ratio. The golden ratio is the ratio of each number in the Fibonacci sequence to its preceding number. The Fibonacci sequence is a sequence of numbers where each previous number is added to the next corresponding number, like 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 3 is 5, and so on. These numbers form the golden ratio of approximately 1 to 1.6, symbolized by the Greek letter phi. You might be wondering, why is this number so important? The truth is, nature seems to love this number. We can see the golden ratio influencing the construction of plants, animals, and even our own bodies through the golden spiral, a spiral that is formed if we use the measurements of the golden ratio to make an inward spiral. The golden ratio also seems to have an aesthetic appeal, as we tend to use the golden ratio in the things we create. Scientists are still not sure why the golden ratio and the golden spiral influence so many parts of our world, even though they have considered this question for centuries. To understand more about the golden ratio, we must take a deeper look inside of our garden. Plants are the most common examples of the golden ratio in real life. The number of petals on a flower, for instance, are often a Fibonacci number. However, the connection goes deeper than that. Plants like the sunflower use the golden ratio. The spiral inside the sunflower is formed because it turns before it creates every new cell. However, the turn that a sunflower does needs to ensure that the cells of a sunflower are tightly packed with no gaps in between to create a round body. Other plants use golden spiral growth to ensure that new leaves don't cast shade onto older leaves and hinder the plant's overall growth. The golden spiral allows plants to maximize their sunlight exposure and productivity. There's so many more examples of the golden ratio and Fibonacci numbers in nature. Each leaf rotates by an angle of 360 over phi to get to the next leaf. Because phi is an irrational number, and some would say the irrationalist irrational number, but that's number theory, it ensures that leaves don't fully overlap each other, maximizing sunlight. The number of spirals on a pine cone is also a Fibonacci number, in this one, 13. The spirals actually form automatically using the golden angle patterns as the leaves. As you can see, the golden ratio is everywhere, and to take a closer look, all you have to do is step outside. So during this quarantine, make sure to stop your Netflix marathons for maybe a few minutes just to step outside and observe the beautiful world of mathematics taking form in your garden. Thanks, everyone!